RackWare SWIFT is a converged disaster recovery, backup, and migration solution that allows you to seamlessly move applications from one container platform to any other container platform. Supported clouds include Oracle Cloud, Google Kubernetes Engine, IBM OpenShift, Azure Kubernetes Service, and Amazon Web Services. In this video, we will demonstrate how to migrate a WordPress website deployed on a GKE cluster to an OKE cluster. The process will be done in 2 steps: discovery and replication. In the discovery phase, RackWare SWIFT collects the metadata of both the source and target container environments. To do this, we navigate to the cluster administration page. Click Add. Select the cloud type. For this example, it would be Google. And add the rest of the necessary parameters before clicking the Add button. If you're new to these parameters, you can follow the operation guide. RackWare SWIFT will quickly discover the GKE demo cluster. Now let's discover the target cluster by clicking the Add button. Select the cloud type. In this example, it is Oracle OCI. And fill out the necessary fields before clicking the Add button. Here you'll see the OKE demo cluster being discovered. In the replication phase, RackWare SWIFT will migrate the application from the source to the target. To start the migration, click on Application Replications and All Applications. Clicking on New will bring up an intake form that will ask for source and target information. In the source section, we will select the GKE demo. And in the target section, we will select OKE demo and fill out all other necessary fields. After you click on Add, a new replication job will be created. During this job, RackWare SWIFT rediscovers the source and target clusters, takes snapshots of volumes on the source cluster, deploys the tripod on the source and target clusters, initiates the data sync and copies data volumes, and copies all source objects and replicates them onto the target cluster. Here you can see the objects have been migrated and deployed successfully to the target. When we click on OKE External Endpoint, we can see the replicated WordPress site that was created on GKE. Now let's say you change something on the source end and would like the changes to be automatically updated onto the target cluster. To do this, you can implement a recurring sync where RackWare SWIFT will identify and collect the data added or changed and migrate it to the target. In our WordPress example, we will add a post in our source environment. To migrate this change to our target environment using recurring sync, click on Application Replications, All Replications, and New. Select our source and target and all necessary details. After clicking Add, SWIFT will only migrate the changes created on the source environment. And when we click on the target environment endpoint, we will see the post we added in the source environment earlier. RackWare SWIFT can also create DR policies for recurring syncs. There are two ways you can configure a DR policy in SWIFT. Configure a policy for a completed replication, or create a new replication with a DR policy option. To create a DR policy, click on Business Continuity, DR, DR Policy, and New. There are different sync types and time periods you can choose from. In this example, we will create a DR policy that initiates a pass-through sync every 30 minutes. Click on Create. There are two ways you can configure a DR policy in SWIFT. The first option is to configure a policy for the already completed replication job by selecting Existing Replications. Click on Apply Policy. Select Existing Replications. Using filters, find the existing job IDs. Select job IDs to which you want to apply the policy, and click on Apply. The second way is to configure the DR policy with the new sync job and apply it there. To do this, select the policy and click Apply. Select New Replication. Enter source and target environment details and all other required parameters. After clicking Apply, the policy will be activated and will create a new sync job. You can also apply this policy to multiple sync jobs using the same procedure shown previously. If you have any questions or would like to see an in-depth demonstration of a RackWare SWIFT migration, please email info@rackwareinc.com or visit us at https://www.rackwareinc.com/SWIFT.